Okay, this is going to be the first cast. I'm just testing to see how the camera, if I have it at the right angle or not. See if I need to adjust it. Wind's blowing pretty strong out here today. It's cloudy, but there are breaks in the clouds, and sometimes the sun pokes through. And hopefully we do some good today. This is it's a baby bass. It's a shallow running crankbait, and it works real good in this area. It was awful close to the bank. It's a nice day out here. Fish ain't cooperating, but it's still nice out here. Okay, I spoke too soon. Let's see what we got here. Another drum. It's been another drum. Come on, don't get this lure in my hand, guy, and I'll set you free. Okay, there we go. That was kind of fun. It wasn't a bass that I was looking for, but still yet, Pack-A-Day didn't time out all the fish, did he? Thanks for the fun, buddy. Okay. This is a sand bass. This is a little guy. This is known as the Oklahoma state fish. There's a lot of them. That's a baby, and sand bass. They also call them white bass. I think I'm gonna start heading back. Look at all those rocks. Here's some deer tracks. It is the first week of November. I feel lucky that I caught what I did today. And way over there and around is where I was at. You know, I'm in my 60s. I'm still able to hump over terrain like this, and I feel blessed. Praise the Lord. Thank you guys for watching. Wished I would have caught more fish, but bad day fishing is better than a good day at work. That's what they always say. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, wait, everybody. Let's see what this is. Oh, looky here. That's what I was looking for. Yes, stay on there. Oh yeah, come on. Come on, come on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, hang on, buddy. Look, this is what I came after. That's what I came after. This is my last cast. I'm gonna go home after this. Come on, hang in there. I know it hurts. Let go of it. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, everybody. I'm about to fall down on these rocks. There it is. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Goodbye, buddy.